क्या बात है।
तो आगे फिर इसके बाद इसको बुलाओ ना।
तो ऐसा ही है ना ये। बस
या गोल्डन गोल।
लुक हियर प्लीज। नहीं आप नहीं फ्रेम गया। लुक हियर।
वाइट शॉट नहीं मिल रहा ना, वाइट शॉट कुछ है।
वन फोर।
आसिफ बहन आज
आप पीछे आ जाओ ना।
हाँ हाँ
नहीं
नहीं आ जाओ रास्ता से।
कौन है? That is Begum. Look here. Wait. अभी तो स्टार्ट हुआ है। थैंक यू।
सेंटर लो।
एक फोटो पे। वेट एक फोटो। परफेक्ट। हाँ बस। लुक हियर।
थैंक यू।
लाइट कम है आपके लेफ्ट में आएंगे। परफेक्ट। Look here. Sir, look here.
As the fierce and layered Urvashi Raje, and with her Akshay Dogra. Akshay Dogra, everyone, please put your hands together for Akshay. So here's the beautiful cast of our beautiful series Badass Begum. My name is Vaishali, and how are you feeling?
Vaishali, thank you so much for the introduction. Hi everybody. Hi. Each and everybody present in this room. It's not possible without you guys. Each and everyone. Thank you media for always coming and supporting me wherever I go. Thank you.
Oh, I'm here for her, man. Just look at her. How amazing is she looking?
Thank you.
And for everyone in Nama and the Bracer.
Alright, so let's not delay further or start karte hain trailer. Are you guys excited? Are you both excited to see the trailer? Okay, let's unveil the trailer, everyone.
Wait.
Just two pictures.
Look here.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Now let's see the trailer. Now the powerful trailer तो बहुत अच्छा था. Now we would like to कुछ हम यहाँ पे आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे. What is the scenario behind कि क्या आपने सोचा about this role and few things about this series?
I think it was very well designed beautifully. मैं क्या हूँ उर्वशी राजे क्या है, नंदिता made it very clear to me, and I think थोड़ी सी तो झलक देखी होगी इन लोगों ने. I don't know, I don't wish to, but yeah. And to put it all on action, I think Tabrez sir did a great job. He was always there. We were so tight on schedule, but we made sure that the output comes amazing. Every frame looks amazing, and I can't even tell you guys कितनी मेहनत करी है इसके पीछे, but it's all worth it.
जो कैरेक्टर की एनर्जी है, वो एनर्जी दिव्या मैच कर रही थी. नॉट जस्ट कि वो एक गैंगस्टर है, दिव्या गैंगस्टर नहीं है, पर दिव्या का जो एनर्जी है वो गैंगस्टर से बढ़कर है. So that is what we liked when we first met her, when we casted her. So amazing. अभी आप देखोगे एपिसोड तो आपको समझ में आएगा.
हम यहाँ पे रिवील करने वाले हैं फर्स्ट 2 episodes actually में. So would you like to say something about the trailer?
Oh no, it's been cut so well, and I mean the way the work is being done and the music. I was talking to Yuvraj right now. क्या बढ़िया music काटा है इसके ऊपर. I think it shows the work that we did in those days, during the shoot, जितनी मेहनत लगी थी. Like she was saying that it wasn't easy. It was like chock-a-block what we did. But I think it was very well done, and I have first 2 episodes looking forward to it.
Obviously. Ma'am, would you like to say something about this as a creative producer?
We had a vision, and thanks to our writers, our researchers, and everybody, and because of all these 3, our vision actually saw the light of the day, and we are very, very, and of course Hungama giving us an opportunity. We are extremely grateful for that.
Thank you so much. One last question from my side. Then
I just want to add something. Sorry.
Yes.
Hungama, but I also want to say the person who's not here, Ankit.
Ankit Gera.
How
yes.
fabulous he is looking. Like I messaged him also. Unfortunately, he's busy shooting somewhere. But just this message goes to you, Ankit. What a fabulous job you've done. It looks amazing. You look amazing. So yeah, absolutely.
Okay, one last
With
question.
the Hungama, I want to tell you something about Hungama channel. When they first approached me for this, I had zero idea about the kind of work they put in, but it's very commendable that they always put the women forward. Most of their stories are based on women, characters about women, their thinking, everything. Every story has something great about the women that we learn. So thank you, Hungama, for always putting us first. It's a great thing that you guys are doing. I haven't seen any OTT focusing so much on women. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So one last question from my side. In case Urvashi Raje का Instagram account होता, तो what is going to be her badass bio?
Bio? Wow. She shouldn't be having an account for first thing. She shouldn't be having any social media account for first thing. Yeah, because she was never caught. So I think nobody can catch her on social media, Instagram, or in real life, howsoever.
Okay, now we'll take questions from media houses. So anyone, if you have any questions, please go ahead.
ये क्या हुआ? तवा नीचे बैठो.
To see you, it's an amazing trailer. मैं आप सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगी क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऑडियंस से, कैसा लग रहा है आज का दिन, क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं ऑडियंस से?
Oh, you want me to speak first? अच्छा ठीक है. I feel like we said this before also. The trailers like come out kick-ass. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The music so good and everybody's performance is great. And of course it's a precursor to what the show will look like. So we are excited for letting it come out
Yes.
and for people to see it and to see how amazing everybody has, what amazing work everyone has done. So I'm just rooting for that, man. I'm just.
आई थिंक फॉर दी ऑडियंस, अगर मैं ऑडियंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करूँ तो ये शो में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि ये मिसिंग है. इट्स मुंबई, इट्स क्राइम, it's gangster, police, everything that we all love about a crime show. And I think this is one of the best work I have done personally, is what I feel. And the trailer is amazing, so you guys have to watch it on Hungama OTT.
Guys, first of all, congratulations for the trailer. It looks amazing. Akshay, we have heard Divya's POV of how she reacted when she was approached. What was your reaction when you were approached?
So for me, I've worked with Nandita and the Bracer before, of course, and we've spent like a year and a half together. So one thing is always there, like I'm always excited to, spend some time with them. So when the Bracer, spoke to me about the character, and I was like, Acha, okay, interesting. And then it's just that initially I felt like, why is he? Because in your head it doesn't form so quickly. कि क्या look होने वाली है and all of that, but it was exciting to know 90s. We grew up in the 90s and we saw cinema of the 90s, so we were like, यार ये मौका नहीं जाने देना चाहिए. So this should be something that one should attempt for sure. I mean this look here was something that ये करना चाहिए ऐसे. And at that time when I met him, I had like,
so excited on the shoot. ऐसे look.
Yeah.
Lala's looks were discussed the most. I
yeah,
guess.
because I had long hair at that time, long curls and
Wow.
अभी नहीं चाहिए कॉफी. I had longer hair at that time and slightly, longer beard and everything, and everyone was like, "Yaar, I don't think this is going to." Then one day I just walk in with a mustache and cut hair. I was like, Lala is here. That felt great because I think it adds to what you're going to do, and then the way it was written, also the way the scenes were written, and it's always such a great process. When you have people around you who are so accommodating.
True.
To work together and be more creative.
True. I felt the same working with these two men on set. They were so chivalrous, both of them. They were so nice. It usually happens, we don't see much of a female-oriented, most of the work in web shows. And this one was like one female with two other men. And there were absolutely no problems on set, nothing at all. It was like such a makhan shoot.
No, I'm very clear about it. Like I've said this before, and not as a joke or anything. And it's honestly, we are here to support the character of Lala or even Ankit's character. Like we were there to support the journey of this character of Urvashi Raje, and I think that was a lot of fun.
It's
to
rare,
do.
you have no idea.
Yeah?
It's rare, but I'm glad that when all the good people come together and work, everything goes well.
Talking about working together, I mean, I'm just sort of thinking but you all three working together in this series, how was the experience
Oh,
overall?
fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Long days and long nights. But it was a lot of fun talking about क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. मैं तो सिर्फ एक ही मील करता हूँ.
That's you.
कैसे जीता है.
That's it. So, yeah.
And then seeing energies dip in the middle of the shot and saying, जाग थोड़ा सा, जाग, energy
थोड़ा
नीचे जा रही है. So it was a lot of fun. All of us were taking care of each other. It felt like school.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Because Tabriz sir's attitude was also like a principal, loving, jaldi काम करना है, everything. It was perfect.
दीदी आपसे जानना चाहूँगी जैसे कि मैं ट्रेलर में देखा मल्टीपल कैरेक्टर हैं आपके, एक नया अवतार है, एक नया कैरेक्टर प्ले करना, तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए, क्या लैंग्वेज का भी इस तरीके से वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है क्या?
See, I don't think I can call it language का कुछ because बॉम्बे की हूँ तो फिर वो लिंग्वल का तो बिल्कुल इशू नहीं था. But yes, building the character because बोलूँ चलेगा ना? It's audible ना? Okay. Okay. So character के लिए it is such a grey shade. किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगा उर्वशी राजे क्या सोच रही है, कैसे सोच रही है. यूजुअली एक कलाकार को अपने कैरेक्टर से बहुत प्यार होता है. वो अपने आप की थोड़ी सी परछाई उसमें ढूंढने की कोशिश करता है. पर मैंने तो हिम्मत भी नहीं की ऐसे ढूंढने की अपने आप को उर्वशी में. But it was very challenging because her mind works in ways I can't even understand. So I could think of the most erratic person that I could be was that, plus fun loving. It was a growth. कैरेक्टर का एक ग्रोथ था. एक छोटे से सेटिंग से आई हुई लड़की कई इतनी बड़ी हो जाती है या क्या हो जाती है वो आप देखोगे. सो क्राइम इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पाथ. वी डोंट नो वेयर इट टेक्स यू.
In this case, crime pays.
क्राइम पेज दिस केस, राइट?
अक्षय सर, आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि किसी ने आई थिंक लुक पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, बट मैं देख रही हूँ तो इमरान हाशमी और टाइम के लुक.
आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस.
Really?
कितना तैयारी थी उस लुक के लिए? क्या पर्सनल कुछ रिसर्च किए थे आपने गैंगस्टर लाइक?
No, I think my baseline, our baseline was when we were discussing the look also, we were talking about like how in the 80s and 90s there was a mustache and curly hair. Luckily I have slightly curly hair, so it happened automatically. I got a haircut जहाँ पे थोड़े से लंबे बाल यहाँ से थोड़ा सा मुँह
Even
चूस
today has a
रखे.
different haircut.
So I was like, चलो experiment करके देखते हैं कैसे है. This is the look that we'll keep. You know, Makarand Deshpande and the films like Shiva and you know all of those films had this kind of, Nagarjuna had these kind of looks, and I was like, yeah, let's attempt this, let's see what happens. I'm also surprised that it came out like this. so nice.
I think the only good thing, the only common thing between
That
Divya
you
Agarwal and Urvashi Raje, what?
have killed people.
No, fuck.
Oh.
No. the only similarity between these two characters, they are very ambitious. They are very driven with that fire of doing something, karna hai, you want to achieve, you know, you're ambitious. I think ambition and that urge to do something good, successful, वो सारी qualities मुझ में और उर्वशी में आपको दिखेंगी, similarities. But
No, absolutely true. I think I'm every time I look at this girl, I'm always impressed by her work ethic. I'm always impressed by how hardworking she is. I think it's commendable, and I wish you well, man. I mean,
I do that too for you, Akshay.
No,
We
I'm
had-
just saying.
We used to always do the scenes together, and you know, Akshay used to really help me out with the scenes. हम बैठ के साथ में हम हर scene से पहले एक दूसरे की जान खाते थे, सर खाते थे कि ये ऐसे करना चाहिए या वैसे करना चाहिए. Even though we had a very crunch schedule, but still we always did that, and it's not possible to come out good as an actor unless and until there's a whole team behind it. You know, our directors, our DOPs, everybody, they always made sure that, you know, everything looks the best. And जब आपको इतना सब कुछ इतनी लाइफ में अगर सहूलियत मिल जाती है तो God gives you all everything nice, सब सही होता है.
मेरा क्वेश्चन अक्षय और आपसे ये सीरीज काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी, उसका बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you.
आपने जितना फन किया इसमें, आपने बहुत फन किया, एक फिर दिमाग खा करने बट कोई ऐसा सीन था जो टफ लगा आपको करने में, या जिसे टाइम लगा आपको करते हुए, या कुछ डिफिकल्टीज आई हो सेट के दौरान आपको? अक्षय, आप भी और क्या?
Can I say something very honestly? Actually, मैं apart from the fact कि mostly कभी-कभी थक जाते थे because you know if we are doing in a tight schedule. Beyond that, I think it felt like a cakewalk because there was so much input coming in and output going out that मतलब we just knew कि अच्छा ये ऐसे करना है, ये करना है. There are certain scenes that we've done which have sprung up कि आज ये कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
And there is no, you know, you're not ready for it and you're like, अरे ये अभी करना है, and you know it's 10 in the night and you're like, oh, how are we going to do this?
How
and then
are we gonna
just
do
like
this?
suddenly you're just like coming there and then you know
Let's
like
do it.
चल यार ये ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं, and we'll do it. And so for me personally it has been quite an easy shoot in that sense. Like it was never के यहाँ अटक गए यार, ये नहीं कर पा रहे. So that's I don't know. What do you think?
No, even for me, all the scenes that we did, एक दिन हमने लगाया था सिर्फ हम मुंबई लोकल घूमे थे. ट्रेन्स हो गया, बसेस हो गए, रोड हो गए, हर जगह हमने वो थोड़ी मुंबई फील के लिए. सो
BMC को पता नहीं है.
BMC को नहीं पता है. सो हमने फटाफट वैसे शूट्स कर लिए थे. बट एक्चुअली दैट वाज द मोस्ट फन एंड द मोस्ट हेवी स्केड्यूल वाला डे. बट अगेन इट्स एडिंग टू द होल शो a lot. So I'm glad we did that. That was a last minute call, but I'm glad we did that. भाई कुछ ना कुछ तो बैकग्राउंड में चलता ही जा रहा है ना. समथिंग. I wish, yes. There's a lot of things coming up. So अभी तो फिलहाल गाना रिलीज हुआ है 4 दिन पहले पार्थ समतान के साथ with सारेगामा. Now this, and there'll be another song coming up with Prince Narula. So yeah, I'm on a roll, and you guys will know it first.
There is stuff
There is
coming
something
out,
coming, I
but I
know.
can't speak about it.
Yes.
It's sort of under wraps, but right now this is
This
it.
is the main show.
This is it.
Yeah? Yay, we're done
Okay.
with this. Now we can watch it. Chalo, let's
Chalo.
watch it on Hangama OTT, everybody. I need new subscriptions. All my fans. Thank you.